I didn't realize there was a hotel right here. The DoubleTree, right in the middle of Mattel headquarters. I think I'll come and stay there next time. I really like this collection with the skirts. I'm not going to pay regular price for it, but I want this. She looks really good. It's molded on top's done well. These not so much, but I'm pretty sure that's not the same series. This is the regular store, by the way. Just jumping into it. Hey, look at that guy. Cute. That's cute too. I want that too. And that too. Sure like these toys. Look at this guy over here. Look at that guy there. And I really do need to get those badly. Here's that. I'm trying to show you stuff that I didn't show you the last time I was here. The prices aren't special for the most part. At the one in Canada that we used to have, the prices were all marked down. They were usually at least 25% off. Some of these sets I haven't seen before. I've never seen this one. And most of the fashions have sold out since we were here last. And this is what we have in the damaged section today. Which some of it is just the stuff that's over in the tent too. It's been a good opportunity to get that. And she's cheaper in Canada. I consider this. They have this Power Ranger set. Now I had this from a different release and different colors for the castle theme, but it's pretty cool. I don't know how much it is. I can't carry it at home though, and I do have it. But I like it. I like it all. I like it a lot. And by the way, on the bottom of it is the Castle Grayskull dungeon, which is extra cool about it. And still no Faker around. Maybe at Walmart. I better go there now. There's that panda set again that I have never seen until I come here. I really want it. This was really rare for a while, and I managed to get that, I think. But I want that. I want this guy. And look how cute she is. And the Matchbox is underwhelming here. Oh, I guess they do have this series. Not the new one. And I haven't seen anything good looking Hot Wheels. Some Minecraft over there. But yeah, that's what we got, guys. Let's get out of here. Oh, here's regular cars. Well, it is nice to see Masters Universe in the store. But Slushhead, really now. So I am going to get a set of these. I just actually saw that they only had these, but I just looked under here and I managed to pull out a Cupid. So that's very cool. Hidden Cupid. Getting all three of those. Okay, I need to make some room in my bags, so let's do a street unboxing. And while I'm going to do this, I'll just rip this stuff open. Good to go. Oh, people want to sit at the bus stop, so I think I'm gonna grab my bags there from there. people walking by right now. But I guess it's easier to do stuff like this in a city that you don't live in. These are great. Better not lose any of the parts though. There's no trash around here either, unfortunately. Got some glasses here. Got another pair of glasses. Do you want to see what I look like with them on? Oh, this is a different camera than I usually am used to. Oh, kind of did it. Come with the same book. It opens. It's not a mechanical hinge though, so that means I don't like it much. Oh, can't get it. Oh, okay, I can get it open. It's like a double hinge. Oops, where are you? There's like a double hinge. I guess it's nice. Of course it's nice. And then for Goldie, it comes in a yellow. And Cupid, it comes in a pink. I always forget Darling's name. So Darling is looking darling, the one shoulder dress. Cute. These are nice. I think these are good quality. It's not the same as they used to be. I'm on my way over there, but it is good quality. The other ones were good quality. The other ones weren't as good quality, actually, because they weren't this sturdy. Blondie. Oh, her hair seems of the softer variety. That's weird. She's got good quality hair. What? And so does Darling. This is good quality hair. Oh, she's got a crown in her head that was pushed down. Hope I don't lose that. They all have crowns. They are princesses. And I hope this is supposed to come off. No risks on these. Soft hair though. She comes with extra stuff. She's the only one who didn't get a new face mold. I wonder why that was. Okay, let's hope I didn't put my bags down in any ants' nests. Hope you like this review. So many people watched me. My bus stop is now filled with people looking at me. So, okay. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. This is the multi-universe stuff that they have. And they have that set. And that's a set that I've never seen before. I guess it's because our other set hasn't sold at all in Canada. And then there's these little things here. I don't know what that is. It's kind of windmobile, and then there's some furniture. Most of those sets are gone. And yeah, I showed you all that before. There's just this one girl and just Man Bun Ken. And I showed you this before too. And these before. That is a lot of Man Bun Ken. Oh, they've got some more of these here. What's the price on the babysitters? Maybe they're $2.99. That might make it actually worth it. Probably $4.99.